This is Matt, and this will be a quick video on how to add page numbers to an Apple Pages document. So I'm right here on Apple Pages, as you can see, and I just have some dummy data here. I have the lorem ipsum, the infamous Latin text, added here just as a demo. So by default, you might not see a toolbar at all. You might have format or document open. Now, the one that we need to actually click in order to add page numbers is document, right up here in the top right. So we click on document, and we now have these options here. So for header and footer, you will need to add these if you want page numbers, depending on where you want the page numbers, if you want them in the top or the bottom. The header is the top and the footer, of course, is the bottom. You can change the relative sizes here as well, just by manipulating these figures right here, and that will change. So if I show you what it's like without those, we can't see any boxes when I hover over the header and footer. If I select those, you'll see them right here. So if you do want your page numbers in the top, you will select header. If you want them in the bottom, you'll select footer. Now I'm just going to show you with both, but in general, you're just going to have one or the other, depending on whether you do want to have both or not. So right here, I now have both selected. I'm on the page, and as I hover over, you'll see that when I click into one of these boxes, whether we want it in the middle, the left, or the right, I can actually click on insert page number now. And then we've got these options, so we can do the whole page 1 of 2 thing. We can do the whole, just the one here. So maybe at the top, we just want a 1 like this. And then maybe this is slightly overkill, but I'm just showing you for example's sake. In the bottom, we might want to, actually, as we've got it here, it's not letting us do it in. It's not actually letting us do the page number there. So, so we can actually take that off, and then maybe we want to do this in the bottom. So you have those options there. So it looks like by default, you can't actually have it. You can't actually have the page number in the header and the footer. I thought you could, but I was mistaken. But yeah, that is how you will add page numbers to either the footer or the header. That's how you add page numbers in Apple Pages, in the Apple Pages app. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.